check-in.
Do you know where the check-in is?
Mom, look at the sign.
Oh, the check-in is in front of us.
Mom, you get so nervous every time we go to the airport.
Maria, I am in charge of a million things every time we fly somewhere. I have to make sure I have my passport, your passport, both boarding passes, personal information, all of our belongings, credit cards, money, and everything else.
Mom, I can help out.
I don't trust that you will keep everything in order. By the way, before check-in, I need to go to the restroom.
I need to go to the restroom too. The restroom is right over there. It's very close to us. We can leave our luggage near the check-in desk and ask an airport staff member to watch our luggage for just 2 minutes.
No way. We will bring our luggage to the restroom. I'm afraid somebody will steal our luggage.
Mom, no one is going to steal our luggage here in the airport.
You never know nowadays.
May I please see your passport?
Sure.
Mrs. Martinez, where are you going today?
My daughter and I are going to the Dominican Republic.
Wonderful. How many bags are you going to be checking?
We're going to be checking 2 suitcases.
Please place the first one on the scale. You can place the second suitcase on the scale now.
How much is it going to cost to have the bags checked?
It is $49.99 per bag.
Wow, that's more than I had anticipated. We will never use this airline again.
At the security check. Mom, everything is so weird at the airport.
What do you mean?
There are many lines for security at the airport. I didn't expect the line for the security checkpoint to be this long.
Well, lots of people are traveling now in the summer.
We are going to search you to make sure you are a safe passenger for the flight. Please take off any metal jewelry and your shoes before walking through the metal detector. Step to the front of the white line and place your arms up.
All right.
Okay. Mom, we are gate 17.
We should start running to make sure we don't miss the flight.
Ordering juice on the plane. How long is the flight?
It is about 4 hours.
Do we have to make any stops or layovers?
No, it's a non-stop flight.
Thank goodness.
Are you hungry?
No, I'm actually really thirsty.
What do you want to get?
Did they have iced caramel macchiatos?
Maria, this isn't Starbucks. Flights only have water, juice, soda, coffee, or tea.
Then I will order juice. Hello, how may I help you? I am very thirsty, and I would like to get some juice. What kind of juice do you have? We have papaya juice, guava juice, mango juice, apple juice, grape juice, and pineapple juice. Can I mix some juices? I'll take half mango juice and half pineapple juice. I like unique things.
Maria, just order one type of juice. Be normal.
You can actually mix the juices. It won't be a problem. Here is your juice. Thank you very much.
Excuse me, I would like the same juice my daughter ordered.
Are you copying me?
No, that juice looks delicious and I want one for myself.
Haha, I'll get that right now.
Thank you very much.
At the passport control.
I'm so happy to be in the Dominican Republic. Now we have to find the passport control.
Why do we have to go to the passport control?
Maria, they can't let someone into the country without validating their documents.
Are they going to question us or something?
They might, so act normally.
Let me see your passports.
Sure.
Why are two women coming to the Dominican Republic alone?
We are going on a short mother-daughter trip.
Is this trip for business or leisure?
Leisure.
How long will you be staying?
3 days, 2 nights.
Where are you staying?
We are staying at the Marriott in Santo Domingo.
How are you going to get there?
We will call a taxi to pick us up.
Ladies, please be careful traveling around the island alone. There have been many crimes against tourists. There have been lots of robberies. So please, always take taxis.
We will be aware of that. Thanks for the information.
Enjoy your trip. You can proceed through those doors.
I am so glad we made it through that.
Mom, let's enjoy the trip.
Do you know where the check-in is? Do you know where the check-in is? Do you know where the check-in is? Maria, I am in charge of 1,000,000 things every time we fly somewhere. Maria, I am in charge of 1,000,000 things every time we fly somewhere. Maria, I am in charge of 1,000,000 things every time we fly somewhere. I don't trust that you will keep everything in order. I don't trust that you will keep everything in order. I don't trust that you will keep everything in order. By the way, before check-in, I need to go to the restroom. By the way, before check-in, I need to go to the restroom. By the way, before check-in, I need to go to the restroom.
The restroom is right over there. It's very close to us. The restroom is right over there. It's very close to us. The restroom is right over there. It's very close to us.
We will bring our luggage to the restroom. I'm afraid somebody will steal our luggage. We will bring our luggage to the restroom. I'm afraid somebody will steal our luggage. We will bring our luggage to the restroom. I'm afraid somebody will steal our luggage.
How long is the flight? How long is the flight? How long is the flight?
My daughter and I are going to the Dominican Republic. My daughter and I are going to the Dominican Republic. My daughter and I are going to the Dominican Republic.
Please place the first one on the scale. Please place the first one on the scale. Please place the first one on the scale.
I'm so happy to be in the Dominican Republic. I'm so happy to be in the Dominican Republic. I'm so happy to be in the Dominican Republic.
Thank you for watching.